I'm a little back end heavy. Can't get it to go forward much. What? It'll go viral if you put it on the internet, right?
Yeah, maybe.
Yahoo!
Now put on the red hat.
Okay, there I'm on. I don't want it to fall off when I'm riding. Just think, when you ride it, you guys have to wear the hats.
What? What?
Yeah,
No.
I want to take pictures. No? Aren't you done yet?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
You took it already?